Hey, I'm Dolphin. I'm the CEO of Dherbs.com. I get tons and tons of questions from customers asking me about health advice. Today, the topic that we plan on tackling is sleep and brain health. What's fact and what's fiction? Let's go. Hey D, how important is sleep? I find that I stay up late at night and only squeeze in 3 to 4 hours of sleep on average. I just drink an energy drink and a couple cups of coffee and I'm good to go. The lack of sleep isn't affecting my health in a negative way, right? As long as I can do things, I don't think that it's taking a toll on my health. Rebecca, you are tripping. Fiction. Sleep is a vital part of your health. If you only sleep a couple hours a night, your body can't repair itself. Sleep is important. Better eating habits, stronger immune system, less inflammation within your body. Look, all of these things can definitely improve upon your life. Sleep is hugely important, so definitely try to get more sleep. Rebecca, thanks for your question. Hey AD, I'm not a spring chicken as I used to be. I tend to forget on occasions. I regularly do the full body cleanse to keep myself cleaned out and focused. Does memory automatically decline as you age? I can retain a lot of information, but I lose things here and there. Tell me if this is true or not true. This is fact, but also fiction. Your memory doesn't just disappear as you get older. Look, everyone loses their memory-making ability as they age, but this is not to be confused with serious issues like dementia or Alzheimer's. The good thing is you can get ahead of the curve by putting healthy nutrients into your body. Chamomile, sage, peppermint, turmeric, and rosemary are excellent spices for boosting brain health and memory. Pumpkin seeds, walnuts, green tea, and blueberries are also great foods for boosting your memory. Just be sure to watch out for key signs of Alzheimer's, and the list includes challenges in solving problems, confusion with time or place, misplacing things frequently, not being able to retrace steps, changes in mood, or memory loss that disrupts daily life. Hey AD, I love exercising and it helps me to relieve stress and improve my mood. Lately, I've only been able to work out late at night, but my sleep hasn't been the same. Is exercising at night ruining my sleep? I need my beauty sleep, so please let me know if this is fact or fiction. This is absolutely fiction. There's been 23 studies that prove generally if you work out before you go to sleep, it won't affect you. But now if you do a high intensity workout 20 minutes before bedtime can definitely affect your sleep habits. Look, ultimately, if you're having trouble sleeping, it's probably your diet or caffeine or something along those lines. Sweet dreams, Jen. Thanks for taking the time to watch Dherbs Fact or Fiction. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.